Studio.
Welcome back to Imagination Studio, where we dive deep into the world of AI-powered creativity. Today, we're pumped to talk about a tool that came across our desk. PromeAI has entered the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine a place where you can create stunning visuals, challenge others in AI art competitions, and unlock advanced tools without breaking a sweat. Whether you're an architect, product designer, or just love bringing creative ideas to life, PromeAI promises to have your back. But does it live up to the hype? And more importantly, among the sea of other AI tools out there, how do the features that we need stack up? We've been testing it for several days now and have some surprises to share with you. So grab a seat, stay tuned, and heads up, there's some credit codes waiting for you at the end. So the very first thing that we notice is that PromeAI offers a full suite of AI tools. It really allows you to go from a simple idea to a fully developed piece of artwork in just a few clicks. We've been using it for several days now and have to say that it's incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're just getting started or have experience with prompt engineering, you'll find that this platform really caters to all skill levels. Let's take a look at the image generation. If you've been following our work, character creation is a huge part of our workflow. So what we look for in an AI suite is a generator that brings our vision and complex prompts to life in the least amount of time possible. The less we have to re-roll images, the better. This generator has several tools that are extremely helpful. The first thing that we noticed was, after you write your initial prompt, they have this cool enhanced prompt feature that can take a basic prompt and add much more detail to it. I think that when using this, you shouldn't really stop there. You should still go back and edit the enhanced result. That way, the generation comes out exactly the way that you want. The next thing that I noticed was how intuitive the workflow was when I drilled down into the different style, scene, and perspective options. It's great to have the ability to visualize the art style and all of the elements that you might forget to add to your prompt normally. This makes the whole process very, very straightforward. Once you select all these options, you'll notice that you can use your credits to enable fast mode down here on the bottom left. That'll give you queue priority when performing your generations. What put the icing on the cake here for us was the context menus. Being able to go from one generated image to easily upscaling or outpainting that image via a drop-down menu made this feature a home run. Let's take a look at several of the images that we generated while testing the tool and their associated prompts. That way you can get an idea of how well the generator followed the detail. In this short series of images, the creator wanted to see how easily they could achieve Pixar-quality elemental fairy creatures, perhaps something that could be used in an animated short film. In just 4 prompt iterations, they were able to achieve this level of detail, which is actually pretty awesome. Okay, so while we're still on the topic of image generation, I really do have to call out how well their image upscaler works. We are thoroughly impressed. Look at the detail on this forest creature. Look at the eyes. Check out the detail the upscaler adds to the foliage. The crazy part is, it doesn't stop there. By hovering this image and the download button, you can send it to be upscaled again to an even higher resolution. At that point, this makes this great for other marketing and e-commerce applications. Looking through the entire toolset they have, it seems like that's just scratching the surface. PromeAI really has a lot to offer. The upscaler alone would be enough to make this platform a strong contender, but the real magic is in how all these tools work together. Let's talk about some of the standout features that we'd actually use in our own creative process, and why they could make a difference for you too. First up is sketch rendering, which I think is a real game changer. Especially if you're someone who likes to start with hand-drawn sketches, this follows the same format as image generation. The idea is, you upload a sketch, write a prompt to guide the AI in a style direction, and if applicable, you can choose a reference image. This can be something you've generated before to point your new generation in that same direction artistically. Then, using the drop-down options, you can visually select the style, the scene, and a model to apply to your new generation as well. Lastly, you can enable fast mode for priority queue and enhanced detail for kind of like a pseudo upscale applied to the image at the time of the generation. It makes the generation take a little bit longer, but it's a vast increase in detail. I've seen the PromeAI community use this for everything from architectural designs to full-on character creations. It's extremely versatile. Next up are two tools that go hand in hand for us: erase and replace and region rendering. These are perfect if you're like me and sometimes look at a finished piece and think, well, I'd like to tweak that just a little bit more. Erase and replace is a lifesaver when you need to change part of your image and say swap out a tree that doesn't quite fit, or fix a section that feels off. You simply highlight the area, erase it, and then replace it with something new via a prompt, all without disturbing the rest of your design. Now, region rendering takes things a step further. This tool is like a precision editor for your artwork. Not only can you select specific areas to adjust, but you can also upload reference images to guide the changes. That means that you get highly tailored edits with incredible control. It seems like it was designed for professionals in fields like architecture, gaming, fashion, and more, but honestly, anyone who loves fine-tuning their work would appreciate this. For us, this feature really shines when you're working on highly detailed projects, maybe refining a character's outfit or tweaking a specific part of a landscape. It's a time saver because you don't have to re-render the entire image, just the area that you want to alter. The next feature that made our list was PromeAI's take on outpainting. This feature is amazing for when you want to expand on your idea. Let's say you created a stunning character portrait, but now you want to give them an epic background, or expand an image to fit a larger resolution by building around the source image. Outpainting makes it possible. You can literally extend the image beyond the original borders and let the tool build on your vision. It's a seamless way to add depth and scale to your work without starting from scratch. This is as simple as entering a base image, entering a prompt to guide the AI, choosing a size, and deciding whether or not you want to spend credits on fast mode. That's it. Finally, one of the last features that really captured our attention was the challenges. It was fun, I have to admit. PromeAI has found a way to gamify the creative process, which is perfect if you're like me and you love a little friendly competition. These challenges give you a theme to create around, and you can even vote on other users' submissions. And get this, every time you vote, you actually earn credits that you can use for more creations. It's a super engaging way to keep people creating and gaining inspiration. We called these out because they're the ones that we could see fitting into our own creative workflow right now. Whether you're just starting out or already knee-deep into AI art, these tools feel like they're designed to make things simpler, more fun, and more professional. Alright folks, so before we wrap up, let's quickly highlight a few other tools that PromeAI offers. While we didn't get a chance to deep dive into everything, these tools are also worth checking out. There's the AI Architecture Generator, perfect for designing architectural structures with ease. Background diffusion, you can create seamless, e-commerce ready visuals in no time. Scenario changer, you could switch up settings in your creative projects, great for storytellers and world builders. Virtual try-on and AI supermodel. These are fantastic tools for fashion creators looking to bring designs to life or showcase products on real or generated models. If any of these align with your creative needs, PromeAI has you covered. This platform is clearly designed to cater to a wide range of creators, from hobbyists to professionals, across various industries. Alright folks, so the big question, is PromeAI worth it? Honestly, for its intuitive design, robust features, and gamified challenges that make creating fun, it's a really strong contender in the AI creative tools market. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, this platform has something for everybody, it seems. If you're curious and want to try it out yourself, we've got you covered. Use our affiliate link in the description and use the coupon code below to get started with a discount. Not only will you unlock these amazing tools, but you'll also be supporting our channel, which we sincerely appreciate, as we continue exploring and sharing the best in AI-powered creativity. Thanks for hanging out with us at Imagination Studio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. Until next time, folks, keep creating.